So Realme is ready to launch some more smartphones in India. Not surprising, right? I don't think there should be any surprise whatsoever because Realme loves crowding the budget segment with just too many phones. Just recently, Realme launched the Realme 7 and 7 Pro, and now the company is launching the Narzo 20 series in India on the 21st of September. Now, unlike the Narzo 10 series, it is expected that this time there are not 2 but 3 phones. So there is the cheapest of the 3 named Narzo 20A, then there is the Narzo 20, and finally there is the most expensive among the 3 named Narzo 20 Pro. Today we got the specifications of the Narzo 20 as well as the Narzo 20 Pro thanks to gadgets, data and stuff listings on Twitter. Starting with the Narzo 20 first, it has the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, which is the same chip that powers the Redmi Note 9 priced at 12,000. Now, unlike the Redmi Note 9, the Narzo 20 has an HD Plus display. There are 4 cameras on the back that include a primary 48 megapixel camera, a secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide, and obviously the two 2 megapixel sensors where one is for macro shots while the other is a depth sensor. There is an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Finally, the Narzo 20 has a huge 6000 mAh battery along with 18 watt fast charging. The Narzo 20 Pro is a pretty confusing device because it has the MediaTek Helio G95, which is the same chipset that powers the recently launched Realme 7. It also has the same 90Hz LCD with Full HD Plus resolution and the same 16 megapixel selfie camera. The only difference compared to the Realme 7 is that the Narzo 20 Pro has a smaller 4500 mAh battery and a 48 megapixel rear camera. But the Narzo 20 Pro has 65 watt charging, which is currently there only for the Realme 7 Pro under Rs 20,000. So now I wonder where Realme is going to place the Narzo 20 Pro. If Realme prices it higher than the Realme 7, then just for a faster charging speed, you are getting a downgraded camera and a smaller battery compared to the Realme 7. Pricing it lower than the Realme 7 means killing the Realme 6i, which starts at 13,000 rupees. Well, whatever the case is, the company is going to kill its already existing device just to make space for its new one. So, what do you think the price of the Narzo 20 and the Narzo 20 Pro should be? Do let me know via the comment section below. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.